This is day 73, and today we are looking at conditional formatting using icon sets. So, how can we make use of these icon sets to indicate that there is a red flag here because the student has failed this subject, and the yellow flag here that they are somewhat close to the pass mark, and a green flag to show where they passed the subject. So to start with, I will just show how to make use of conditional formatting icon sets without tailoring it to our report specifically. We just first clear the rules. Okay, so you select the range which you want to highlight and say, okay, I want to highlight using icon sets. Then you can specify the icon sets you want to use. There are quite a number of icon sets you can use. There are 3 icon sets and 4 icon sets. You choose whatever you want to use. For me, I was using the indicators, which is the flag here. So by default, it sort of figures out what needs to be highlighted in green, what needs to be highlighted in range based on the values that are in your range. However, the problem with just using the icon sets without tailoring it is that it uses the range of values it has and just decides which one will be green, which one will be good. So basically the highest will be green and the lowest ones will be in red, and the one which is sort of around the average of the selected values will be in orange. But what you want to do is you want to only make it orange if it's around 50 and green if it's above 60, for example. So this is not going to work. So you have to tailor the rules specifically. So let me just clear the rule. Then you go to conditional format and say new rule. So you are creating a new rule which you want to tailor. Then you say format cells based on their values, and you say I want a 3 color scale, or you want an icon set or a data bar. In this case, I want an icon set. Then I choose the icon set I want to make use of. So in this case, I want to use this icon set. You can choose to show them in reverse order, which means that you will be starting with the green as the low and red as your highest. But I don't want to use them in reverse order. You can also choose to show icons only. I'll show you how this works. Then you say, okay, what do you want to make use of? Do you want to use percentages or the value? In my case, I want to highlight using the value. So I want to say if anything is greater than or equal to 40, then highlight in orange. So I say 40 here and change this to number. Sorry, 40. Then I change this one also to number and say anything greater than and above 60 should be in green. Then I can say okay. So you can see that all these numbers are below 40, hence they are in red. And this one is above 40 and below 60, hence it is in orange. If I select a different student, you can see that all the numbers here are above 60, then they are all in green. So it's very dynamic. It highlights as I select the student. What I can also do is I can choose to just show the icons here and not to show the value itself. So if I just want to show whether it's a red flag or a green flag or a yellow flag without showing the actual mark, I can also do that. So if I go back and say manage rules, I can select here and say edit rule. Under edit rule, I can select show icon only. Then I say okay. Then I say apply and okay. Now you can see that I'm only showing the flag only. So if I select another student, you can see the icon changes, but I cannot see the pass mark or the mark that the student obtained. It's just showing whether it's a red flag or a green flag. So I can also do that as well. So that's it with conditional formatting using icon sets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get more new videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications button so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.